Today, I'll show you how to pin a post to your Substack homepage so it always appears right at the top for your readers. This is really useful if you have a welcome post, a key announcement, or a flagship article that you want new visitors to see first. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to feature any post you want. First, open your web browser and go to substack.com. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the publication you want to edit. If you have more than one publication, double check that you're in the right one by looking at the name and logo in the top area of the dashboard. Once you've confirmed you're in the correct place, we're ready to move into the posts section. Next, find and click on the option labeled Posts. This is usually in the main navigation menu of your Substack dashboard. When you click Posts, you'll be taken to a page that lists all the content you've created for that publication. Think of this as your central hub for managing drafts, scheduled posts, and live posts. It's where you'll choose which piece you want to highlight on your homepage. Within the posts area, you'll see different tabs or filters such as drafts, scheduled, and published. Click on Published. This filter is important because only posts that are already published can be pinned to your homepage. If the post you have in mind is still just a draft, you'll need to go back and publish it first before it can be pinned. Once you're on the Publish tab, you should see a list of all the posts that are currently live for your readers. Now scroll through your list of published posts and find the one you want to pin. When you've found it, look for the three dots icon, often called the More menu, next to that post. This icon is usually aligned with the post title on the right-hand side. Click on those three dots to open a small menu of options specific to that post. These options might include things like editing, sharing, or archiving the post, but the one we're interested in is the pinning option. From that drop-down menu, click on Pin to Homepage. Once you select this, Substack will mark that post as pinned, and it will move to a prominent position on your publication's homepage. That means visitors will see it before your regular chronological list of posts. In many layouts, it appears at the very top, sometimes with a small label indicating that it's pinned or featured. After you've pinned the post, it's a good idea to visit your public homepage in a new tab or window and refresh the page. This lets you confirm that the right post is pinned and that it looks the way you expect. If you ever change your mind or want to highlight a different article, you can go back to the same three dots menu on another post and pin that one instead. Substack will typically update your homepage so the newest pinned post takes that top spot. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to pin a post to your Substack homepage, making it easier to guide readers to the content that matters most.